I really like the macro critters here, along with the larger animals, the sea lions, and sometimes we see whales here, sometimes we see dolphins, and the mixture of the animals is really, really beautiful, and I really enjoy that part of it.
Probably this one, really, honestly, being able to see all the macro critters and actually see their behavior and see them in action. And then being able to edit the photos and see that it's in focus and I can actually see those little shrimp on the face of a scorpion fish. That's pretty amazing.